Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store apps download pending problem. If you face Google Play Store download pending problem, let's see how to fix Google Play Store apps download pending problem solve. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Play Store. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your file manager. Make sure at least 1 or 2 GB free space. Step 5. Again open Play Store. Search any apps. Update your apps. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Play Store apps download pending problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.